Welcome to the Lynn City Commons, where we're down here celebrating the Khmer New Year. This is an event that is put on annually. This year it's sponsored in part by the YMCA and the Khmer Cultural Planning Committee. This event is stocked full of awesome fun entertainment, as well as plenty of places to eat and different vendors to visit. As you can see, there's tons of people down here to celebrate the incoming New Year for the Khmer people.
Happy New Year's, happy Cambodian New Year's. Milk corn with coconut milk, green scallion. Best ever. The best.
Just for a